Good morning. We're heading back into deep space today for a remastered look at one of my favorite face-offs. I've always wondered, what would happen if the most professional crew in the galaxy met the most, well, red dwarf crew in the galaxy? This is Star Trek vs. Red Dwarf. As the laser scans across, you can see both sides starting to take shape at the same time. On the left, we've got Lister and the boys, and on the right, the legendary Kirk and Spock. It's a race to see who finishes first. I'm remastering this video because this art deserves a second look. The detail in this cartoon style is so fun, from Kryten's angled head to Spock's iconic ears. It's a total clash of cultures. One side lives for the Prime Directive, and the other side just wants to find a decent curry and get back to Earth. I can just imagine Khan in the middle trying to referee this mess. Can you imagine Rimmer trying to explain Space Corps directives to Captain Kirk? Spock would have a logical breakdown within 5 minutes. Seeing the titles etch in now really pulls the whole versus theme together. There it is, the ultimate sci-fi face-off. This laser-engraved piece came out so sharp. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Enterprise or Team Starbug? Thanks for watching the remaster.